Hey everyone, so how are you all? It's been a while. So in this video, I'm going to show you a cool trick called IP bouncing. I'm sure if you have seen even 2 to 3 movies related to ethical hacking, then you must know what IP bouncing is. So in case you don't know, IP bouncing is a trick in which the IP address of an attacker changes frequently in an interval of few seconds or even every second. So I'm going to show you how you can perform that as well, and that is how you can change your IP address frequently. So this video is not going to be very long like previous ones. So just tag along with me and let's go. So now just follow along and follow the commands and you can perform the IP bouncing very easily. So just open up your terminal and then update and upgrade your packages such that you don't run into any problem because of old packages. And now you have to install a package called Tor. So just give the command apt install Tor and it will download Tor. So just wait for a few seconds and let it be downloaded. Let's move on to the next part. Now you need to have a Python related package called pip. So make sure you have, and if you don't, just follow this command apt install python 3 dash pip. So this command will install pip on your system. And again, if you don't have it installed, it will take a few seconds or minutes. So just wait for it to get completed. And now we have to install another package or tool called Tornet. So we will be using this to bounce our IP. So just give this command pip install Tornet. And now again, you have to wait for a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed and let it be downloaded. And once it's done, you have to make some changes or configure some settings in your browser. So just open up your Firefox browser or whichever you use. And then you have to go to the settings. So here it is. And now search for proxy. And then you have the proxy setting. So just click on it. And now you have to click on the manual proxy configuration. So make sure you have this SOC 5 selected. And now you have to enter 2 things. So first of all, you have to enter your localhost address, that is 127.0.0.1. And in the port, and here you have to enter port number 9050. And now scroll down and make sure you have this enabled. This is really important for the sake of whole anonymity thing. And now we can go on with our IP bouncing thing. So first of all, you have to start Tor. So first of all, you have to enable Tor. For this, give the command sudo systemctl start Tor. So after giving this command, Tor must have been started. So let's check. Now give the command sudo systemctl status Tor. And as you can see, it's showing active here. It means Tor has been started. Now, this is the main part for the IP bouncing. Give the command tornet, then dash interval, and then you have to give out the seconds in which you have to change the IP. Like you can give it 20 seconds or 30 seconds or even 2 seconds or 3 seconds. And then you have to select the count. So this will select like how many times the IP will change. Like it can be 6 or 5 or 7, or if you select 0, it means the IP will keep on changing until you stop it. So I will select 0 here and you can then stop it using Ctrl+C. It's asking for my password. Let me give it to you. So the thing is, we have to use this command with sudo such that it doesn't ask us password like this again and again. So let me just start it again with sudo command. So as you can see, the command is exactly same. Just I have entered sudo here. As now you can see the IP address is changing frequently. So now let's go and check if the IP address is changing. So you can see here, this is my current IP address, which is X. So as you can see here, this is my IP address here, which is of course wrong because I'm in India. And let's see refreshing it. So try it yourself. and tell me what you think in the comments. And if you have a request for another topic, you can just comment below and I will try to make a video on it. So that's it for this video. Subscribe for more.